I wouldn't hurt him. There's no cars. I wouldn't climb that.
No.
It's fenced.
Way across, just 3.
I'm definitely gonna try to get one bigger one,
I think you should try and hit this one.
but I don't wanna get something.
This one right here.
There you go.
That one for
Next
sure.
to next to the silo, you can dive the silo
Punch right through.
and hit the roof gap and come in.
This one I'm hitting right here for sure. Oh yeah, over there too,
You
yeah.
dive it all.
Damn, I wish I had a flashlight.
Right there.
Yeah. Watch, because these are all sticking up.
This is the elevator back up.
So here's the. Never mind.
Either that or it's just cause I was rusty. Haven't been on there in like a month. I was on last night because they got this new map and the fucking map is crazy. I think I'm gonna head back the other way. Give me two left.
You're headed back? I just want to see this little ass bit.